me as I challenge myself to see if I can create a lightning-fast Windows 11 experience using X-Lite OS. I've been curious about X-Lite OS for a while now, and I think it's time to give it a try. This operating system is designed to be a lightweight alternative to standard Windows 11, aiming to boost performance and make everything feel smoother. Windows 11 is great, but many users, including myself, have experienced some frustrating issues. One of the most common problems is slow performance. You know, when your computer takes ages to load apps or files. It's like watching paint dry. High resource usage is another issue. It feels like Windows 11 is eating up all your RAM and CPU, leaving little for the apps you actually want to use. These issues can be really annoying, especially if you're working on a deadline or just trying to have a chill gaming session. I mean, who hasn't experienced lag while gaming or video editing? It's like your computer is holding you back. Slow performance and high resource usage often go hand in hand. When your computer is bogged down by too many background processes or bloatware, it can feel like you're using a machine from the Stone Age. Bloatware, for those who might not know, refers to software that comes pre-installed on your computer but isn't really necessary. X-Lite OS claims to solve these problems by offering a more streamlined interface and significantly reducing bloatware. This means you get a cleaner, more responsive system that's closer to what you actually need. Plus, it maintains compatibility with most Windows applications, so you don't have to worry about your favorite software not working. The interface of X-Lite OS looks sleek and modern, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. By removing unnecessary features and background processes, X-Lite OS aims to give you a faster and more efficient computing experience. This could be a game changer for those tired of their computer feeling slow. Compatibility is key for any operating system. X-Lite OS ensures that you can still use all your favorite Windows apps without any issues. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing, X-Lite OS promises to deliver a seamless experience. So, does X-Lite OS really deliver on its promises? Let's look at some performance benchmarks. Compared to traditional Windows 11, X-Lite OS shows some impressive improvements in speed and efficiency. Apps load faster, files open quicker, and overall system performance is noticeably better. Users who have made the switch report similar experiences. They mention faster boot times, quicker app launches, and a general feeling of smoothness that they hadn't experienced with standard Windows 11. For example, one user noted that X-Lite OS cut their boot time in half, which is pretty significant. In terms of raw performance, X-Lite OS seems to have an edge over standard Windows 11. Whether it's through optimized code or reduced background processes, the result is clear: X-Lite OS is fast. The improvements aren't just about speed, they're also about resource usage. X-Lite OS manages system resources more efficiently, giving you more power for the apps that matter. To wrap things up, X-Lite OS presents a compelling option for anyone looking to breathe new life into their Windows 11 experience. By offering a lightweight alternative that doesn't sacrifice compatibility, X-Lite OS could significantly boost your productivity. What are your thoughts on X-Lite OS? Have you tried it out, or is it on your radar? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in getting the most out of your current Windows setup, check out my video on optimizing Windows performance for some valuable tips.